front of me is OPPO Pad 5, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and wait for available devices to show. When they do, tap on the one you wanna connect to. Click on this icon next to allow access to contacts and call logs to enable or disable it, and select pair. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or in case of trying to connect to a smartphone or another tablet, accept it manually on the second device. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them or manage connection of those two devices, click on this icon next to the paired one. Then check out all of those options, including Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!